Abusua mo akwa ba de bo 240 TV plus so abusua Pakoso Hene enene wode na no dinsem abeto abontia ne nsem a working dan se wono sebi wonim AbusuaPanyin fufuru bi a yefle ne se beautiful nipa wonim no AbusuaPanyin dada a yefle ne se Kofi Wusu ono ena Pakoso Hene no ose wonim no enti sebrefu bi aba ono de wonim ne baabia na abusua nsem beto odwa no abeye nsem abeye nwanwa pa ya sebi yan shedanten sem ya se kire se yenim se ayeda ya Pakoso Hene nsem bi beto abontim ye ba be hu se yese wonsa ehyaase bi ene de AbusuaPanyin foforo brefu yaba nene se wosai edane ho na wo beka se wonim AbusuaPanyin foforo bi eflense brefu a na tete nsem no akoye bibia wo ho no abusua ensem we sei na ankrofo twene srani abasa ene omo kase da bi ebeye Pakoso Hene na kase nsem se hu bi na abona enam so ema wo kase wonim AbusuaPanyin foforo bi abusua wonso fo adwen kire eto wonom ne yankwaje nsem ne nkire mu no emra haguso yotum for TV plus
Tanesa wo yeja a wo da busuama wo ma na waye niema bi na wo ma no entiase sisi wo si omuni tumi so mbefla wo agya ne meeting sisi kwan ben no mbefa so afla wo meeting
no niema mi no ba ta mo kan ni bi na wo mo
okay mbajo
minjini se abusuani nyina na minjini se ono matefia o mani nya ono mu nya betima ya aka obi entimi ma onja no medi nkomo at least so bi na afo anya mu nyina na afo mo to mo afo anya mu nyina na afo mo sebi omo ma afo mo no kwa betini ganta gwati nipa oben wo no na wabanta no wabekasa se wo fa se na minua no mo kan wo na eba ne sen adencha on from na no mo international no mo enkasa bayan kasa ofa maye frɛ obra na ye no nkasa
oye me tia ba mu kasa
fata no ya
o de me ser makasa kasa minua no ko
okay
question a would
thank you
from soa you mudu do na ye say you know akan amamre asem ne kanu AbusuaPanyin a owofia akuyatuntum demu no different from AbusuaPanyin a owofia akuyabia ni efie ni
okay
if you question na wo busa no adaho mamia nka AbusuaPanyin we say no omufie no omufie no akuyabia enemu a nka mpanyimfo na ehia he no so tumadi omufie no enka omu betumi adise adwuma only mistake ane wo mu ni say efunu eda ho metete sine efunu da ho eno omu koye akama bebi enye sa eye kiwa de pa enye sa number 2 omu die no akunyatun tum ewufie o edi say de mi reality ka kire mu kire won AbusuaPanyin a ofri efia akunyatun tum agyamu no mo abusuafo no mo timi sorry na se mu tulu wo da the consent of the Hene na wo bi akunyatun
okay
enti obu tata let no wo ene effect dia wo effect pa so mo yawe enti no mo ye wie na omo de let ba out say Hene na endorse no se any effect bia engo mu kwaje sa let bia em support na ko mo ji no aka so what it is two things and I can't amamre ni se AbusuaPanyin no na AbusuaPanyin na wo di no akuyatuntum bia ni fie a different ba akuyatuntum wo fie ono mo a ebetane Tupac je ni bi enu so ye different way a ye di si AbusuaPanyin na ye di tu AbusuaPanyin da na kwa so it is ya ya beta ni mi na abo na kwa enwo han
Depra mi bache wo kasa usi oye niama bia enye oye niama pesa na AbusuaPanyin ya enye
okay me bache me say the person me kakra fa the question ya beside no and say ya kaso bi AbusuaPanyin a me say me nim say oda abusua no na oka abusua ne bom e make sure say abusua no omo kanko no bibia no ebeko yi o we ne obetimi aye say there is unity in the family. Afei so bia yi ba ne ade a ono an bedi anim atoto niema se ne kwan befa so be yi ne ade na me hu ne se AbusuaPanyin sa ne dwumadie no ofeliye e wo that part because edu ba bi no na ka o se otimi make kabusua no ebum e wo mu so try but edu ba bi no deviate e ma antichemu ba abusua no mu enti no saa de no ye no eno na me no me hu this because say me ni nyina wa ha me ka sisi ya me kura flower fa me ko ba bia ye de lumba ye sie no na me fa flower nkoto na mu ayi so a enyi ni say ye wa ha yi obi betimi aso me sa de me akoho ye nyina ye nim ba bia ye sie no eno nko akeke kura no
for ye ko bidia.
Thank you. Ye nya bushia for but a celebrity obetimi akone na so obi etimi kokosra ya asem kankeke na America but me ni umi ni yenim enya bushia ni nko na e wo se otimi ko obi ayi so ana asese oh boss
but you are not even permitted to go there.
Don't worry. Also, you can't do lumba. Don't do lumba any packet to us out. Wow,
I
can see Ghana in Babamo now, but you can't go there.
No problem. You find say, open for quine.
Maybe so. Conedu, how many
times? Manenkasa obi kasa mo manenkasa obi na
there is a way to be a person obi na so there is a way say o person ko obi a say be wagidin park ese so bia I mean there are guards near their kwan go ha betimi akwa e be ma kwan bia you know onye say bia ko ibi o but o ko hwe bia because tourist that lumba we kana yi kekekula na tourist a obetimi akonkrofo betimi atukwan free ama so aba sisi obi free abrochiri na even say president abrochiri aba so person ko hwe that lumba ba bia esi enu a ho na de ne ko ho pati ase enti no sanity no kwa de ye ka moma yintimi nkyere ya adwen kakra ho enti ni nyina ka sa semi to others AbusuaPanyin no this particular way I make me nyina so ba ko na maka ho asemi se wanye ne yie e wo data fa no ti se obi abisa na onya sem papa bi antimi nka se ya ha enti basa omo abusua no no ombedi yawo ewo mo bi kura betimi you support pa but that particular part no obinya pains e wo sa ne ma ni nyina tete abusua num emantiche mu bam nti that this part no wanya ade e wo ho ana afin no ase ana afin no asem wo ho aye kan wie e wo court esan wo himfie yesi e ma award AbusuaPanyin was out in a baby because we know build the unity between nsema ekoso no make sure say abusua no nyina mo ntem be ye kama ntinka twe ho tena nchen mane nko na tina oda meba na o tena o baby na asem we nyina nsi because the more we ye niema no na de nchichemu ne eyawo ene pains na won krofu mu no yemmo ene wo mu amu sanso oniema wo ye yama o mapewasem no na wo ye ne mabi na ema pusho ma we nti mabibia nsi wie na yesi letter ba ye abusua ye tu no nya no kore nya si a na fi obi a hu sese na akosi na fi bibia ye kama maso mo ntima san kama ho abom na bibia ye kama because at the end of the day no abusua na mo building abusua so de ye the unity na ye adwuma inti se den amna na brefo hwa yo mu nyina mo ye abusuafo inti e ko wie sen kura na e ba be wie se baako ne be dinkunim na baako nso dinkunim a o so be ka abusua ni na ye den ebom inti for at this time no bushapani we no ye no particular na asem o ya de o ye na me kan wasem ye me ya say ye bisa obi ti bisa se mfa na esi bushapani a la ansa kro de be ma no wakoma kra betu saade no enko ano e so mutimi e solve sa ne man na bibia e ka ho me support obi a but unity push for bush enu no ama said some secret pa na ade timi be out no very very shameful but I say
me bisa bibi kaka
bisa
na huye na wonim say lumba ni nua na nkasa Faustina no so na be kan say ne brother ne wish say be see ni privately said e be ya ye mu bi to say ye Ghana fo e bi ye mehu be bi ya de da na wonim de
wish de obi atime the wish but there must be
enti ade na ye mpese ye be ana papa ne wish what is the proof?
There should be a proof because we can't
she has decided not to heed to AbusuaPanyin no issue no
okay it is obi wish ana obi atiasasi so na wish free mu na wish na ye man dia na sanka e wish ne dia you can wish ba unya free mu asasi so
na wish no atiasasi
wish na wish na mo kan where is the proof be any ho
Missy, where is the proof? Obi Kase, don't do this after my death. That is what you have to do. And besides, you say AbusuaPanyin anya ade Asemaba. You say AbusuaPanyin anya ade say one can ebusua nambom. This man did everything humanly possible. He has done so well for the family. Pesamin kuminyao say ye ni bro say ya bro I and I just want to understand how come some party are okay and others are not okay, because for all I know he tried so much to bring the family together, but bring Poma and for Akade almost a chinchine train. I don't think say AbusuaPanyin serve obi a letter say momu nsi ye na say. I don't think say AbusuaPanyin specified say wo bring Poma wo akosi that mama yeti ha na discount prempe say omo an omo ka kire omo say momu nkwe ye na omo kwa omo support omo ni sika bio, and so they were listening to outsiders. Mo ye AbusuaPanyin free because ono there was all ya na say AbusuaPanyin nsie lumba nkasa bre lumba efunu da so da ho eko 1 year. Intermediate to me I feel like he did so well for actually standing on his grounds to bury Lumba, and that was his wish. Into a year or be so person who baby and see Lumba. You just actually baby or walk. Me question.
Fellas, me panto to bet mama. Wadam fwa. Oro na di agro nkwa bremu. Abe disrespect AbusuaPanyin.
Oh, Daddy.
Nti can say Papa she attitude na all portray no. Was it a sign of respect to Dumpoma's uncle or disrespect?
Papa she attitude like me attitude is said there because
AbusuaPanyin can say you know no so I can say. I say so on na dey AbusuaPanyin no.
That means I know they say opinion me who say AbusuaPanyin
who is he?
I know they family head no who is he? No no the all is not good. And Kadia na ususu say AbusuaPanyin no after he did all his best to bring the family together almost said that nye ankrofo na ehihye omochi e kan nsem ahodo na mamonko na mamonye sen enkade na opeso onko kekere omo onko kidnap omo enfo omo besi efunu ne ho na omo hye no wi a wagya omo akwa na den na nka opese eho no enka Tupac oye because he actually opened it to everyone. So be and as for the burial part now, also you celebrities do saying na waga na ewu a wako say wo kwa akosho omufunu da ana wako say wo kosho bebi ye de omuda dada ke ni wu ya ne wey bebi ayesie no eda hopete me na obi enu say ye nko ho ana wo de wako ho de obetimi aka
and so na celebrity and normal ya
ana ko obetimi akọ isile gone obetimi akọ kunedu wu na nsenye bebi ayesie ne ye nyina ye ni but nobody has questioned that. Is it that Lumba de ne de ekoye kasakasa na ebi mode omo emotions ne niema kasa nti na yembu ne say eye bone say wo say nko wishes say de see ne woni fie or what exactly is the problem? I wanna understand.
Me problem am me say un say mo say wish na mo kan sisia no ono de wa wish fine we say wish do baby AbusuaPanyin be kan say wa ye real na no real no o de ahim o kan sense me nyina wo ana later o san be dane na no be kan say no wish what they say it say
na well na no anya wish ni bi de
oh baby ana de
all this must come what paper so eno e den
say people be anso ni abonten a kire say
na dey nti na what say obi private matter e was ye dey beto abonten just to prove say we ye dey buy ye kranka you people would never believe mo be ka say o ma draft and o AI and o ma sheda no matro nti yes as em we ye ka say ye kan ye be kan because letter na Pakoso dey ikura keke ikura e ba ye obi ankasa I don't think say Timodo ni for ye kan bibi fan ho. We accepted say yes or no naka. And so when they buy ya or Hene say and you no try there. You people are refusing to accept the fact that he said he's not the one that wrote it. So it's a lumba. Yeah, the name was na beto ho. Say meba Selumba yeah the name semina begu abonten ne nkrata or trotroye ne document whatever thing be or will be or the bar. Ye kro ya ye besa ka ste enye no correct na eye enada nkrofobi na ahya da tro. Mami akocha say wa response Lumba de man 2018 ho baby o say whatever. Eba abonten almost say they never believed it, but we are okay with it. Nobody is disputing that fact and nobody is arguing with them over it. Into sometimes na mo pese muhu Lumba nsem bebre na say asem we amba nka hwan na nka be question say Lumba hin yesie no de yemfa bibia anto nche yem forget bibia now Lumba wewu ebusua no ye one brempoma mu nyina ka ho akosia say wa obia ye okay ene yesie Lumba me no mienu enka ye be ye den akwa questions adan ye hu Lumba funu I'm sorry ye hu Lumba baby ayesie no adan ye yesie Lumba woni fie ne yentumi nko ho ye baby sasa asemu ye controversies aba na ema ye ka bi but obi to me question obi wish as to whether say wish no ye no correct or not almost say it was his wish please he has never done anything and now say
opinion but
my last question now can you also say na ni senka odi Dennis echi ekokwaje award no meba o omo ba ho nyina abeji award no ebi mu maame ne omo papa mo ka ho ana obi oba ye bia ne namfofo ne busua ne nua bi ne sei. And to me personally, I felt there was nothing wrong with what AbusuaPanyin did. AbusuaPanyin has been someone, he has stood by Lumba and Enema, the nuclear family. Yeah, kind immediate family, and yet, sa kasatenten na omo yenu. Immediate family, eya wejere ana wukuno na woma. Omo na omo bewo omo na da wu no mo ani tua se wu not obi oti baby aye ka kire no 6 days ago and 1 week after sorry and sana onu mama ba be yi into to me I feel like what AbusuaPanyin did was the right thing to do. My siblings are no more acquainted, they couldn't come ebi ananka omunya anka omo beba e na omo de share omunia second born is I said she should go and stand in for them. Denise couldn't have just gone. Of course, she could have done it, but I don't see anything wrong with AbusuaPanyin stepping in, say, oh yes, and a man I kasa bebre, and your kasa need the baby because most of more yamadi are ubian kasa. Until we don't expect say or not so nadia, somebody should also come and complain about it. I don't see anything wrong with that. Is it because a lumba seminity ana is it because AbusuaPanyin you people feel say on deserve and obi say we real lumba sika that man on the number
part no dey say our part no say court international court no dey part dey nyina entimi
all we know kra no e bia no kra is even helping more because time bia na yentia wo fie honom check up on the kids and
me time do say bompa yo
oh
we dey
musa ba ko ansa why so wana o kasa no okay uni side bia ba wo cap de why bone no o kan one side ma me be mpoma na ma me akomo so e de bone no mo so ma ye wa asem we mu
mo mistake o mo ye any say a friend is saying a year no o mama that is one we are saying no oh me side bia but me ha me na me kan no but mo mistake o mo ye any say one o mo ye year no o mama no de nanka I friend say even though me hu ne say AbusuaPanyin mistake so I friend say omo nyina won nyina nhia amoman fix date na date ne class omo fix impo na sakasaka ba oman sign so one sign here na oman sorting it out na busua afane nyina no omo nyina anya antum na ekoye say yi no course no omo mama ba no mama no eno ne one thing omo one big mistake omo ye ya menti me nyina baby no omo ankyere odo because obi awalewa na so no yele no na se bibia ba fia no matter the enye onu na oni omanya oni abusua ni puna afa bi na o problem a onu de so wi ni film na o kai odo a oni ne tie o den na didi kire wo na mai wo montem ni ade na nka wotimi ye dan eba yi ni bi na be hu na nim class na yakosie no tiba o mama no ene ne o biggest mistake because obo ba ya anka ba bia ye de no kosie ni kula no ba o miss ko bi mu saha ana yesie no nti o biggest mistake o mo ye ya me no mo nya adwene ewo nti na me kasa me ni obi afa no me madwene na me kire ene me nti ase na me kire
ada se fa ba onim se me ma no ne ka kire AbusuaPanyin se papa no wish ni
oh boss me dey boss ye nyani eni hobi ya tisem na o kan boss
atisem enti e dey tell lumba do tum se lumba e da no ye me nanim eno se ya tisem
oh boss me no mi enu nyina wa ya we obi eni ha obeti maka se ohun se lumba nim ni ye de na takate na nim ye de na takate celebrity ben na wasasi su a yeah obi wa ya de
celebrating ma
lumba big lumba pa lumba
no minim age na minim baby awo obi ya ni the open ho an oye enti don categorize celebrating tie mi nanim
okay matiase
me watiase enti eno de men fe no nya yastic eso obi ya ni the open lumba to no on the problem or no one issues on no open minim aka ouye omiese no
okay okay
tell me president Ghana we are saying that and they won't complaining
okay boss mathematics dey organize matiase
eso obi anti the obi pe no ye no etimi en for be to obi dey on yes it's wrong
all right
yes me that's
the question. It's people some question.
Hey, boss.
Oh, we can also the question we answer now.
Fabla meet me ya no dia no me.
Me pacho.
Enye mini club.
Mistake AbusuaPanyin mistake AbusuaPanyin was not to be able to unite them before a year number.
Yes, bro.
Now, do you know even obi or president or running a Pokrano. For example, Ghana, the country is never united, but the president have to make a decision, right?
Yes.
And you know, were you expecting, say, AbusuaPanyin, on train or unite your money and son or year and answer say?
Oh, boss, and that should have been the best decision I was uncle taking.
How could he have done it? So
Masa.
Cause say Sanka or yes or try United Oma Kalumba that's so free mu.
And yes, and you want penny for bebre, you want penny for bebre, our Ghana, Anka Bushia penny bit media form so. A city all the family down. Not a funny saying because Lumba I never guess fine. Even say I was a good president cleaning no because Lumba we no coco ball funny say what do you call funny say President Amani. Inti say never be say koswa adentina ombetimi akọ nanimpo nanka onipa ferry kakra won nanim say odo matna se nanka watimi aso me dem problem unity na wa mamba na ntichemu ni akasa bebre aba
me make a statement be
that will make a statement.
Will you agree with me, sir? A true leader make a decision regardless of whether everybody is united behind him or not. Will you agree with me?
That what happened at the end is what matters.
I'm just asking you a simple question.
Oh, yes, I understand what you are saying.
It's a yes or no. Will you agree with me, sir? A true leader will make a decision whether it's popular or unpopular, irrespective
sometimes,
of or not.
Sometimes it's true. Yeah, yes.
So he said yes, me that's it. I know see why. Me that's it.
I know yes sometimes. Me that's power. Me that's yes.
Yeah,
yes. Me say sometimes. Me say sometimes. Me say sometimes.
Why?
No de bia. And dancing. Pajo me that's it. Me that's power.
Yes, you that's it.
Who nipa bia we stubborn you can't convince him. Who share be down.
Oh, send the you know we dey share be. And they send it.
It's no sanity, it varies. Nipa bi one ma na asem kind thing on pay unity. And a unity to nya back for nya na mo ba compromise. Obo no ma you can't compromise. Onya na dwe so obetie wo de say nipa no. He or she is difficult so on ne be ko deal.
Me ka bi kura so mo na me support to point no. O papa okobo mpaye. Bible no pokura Romans chapter 12 verse 18 as a baby so say. So far as it depends on you, live at peace with all men. That means and any pain in a bit live at peace. It is sometimes you try your best to live at peace with people or unite people, but sometimes in the middle you stop or you cannot. So as a true leader like AbusuaPanyin, or making a firm and a decisive decision to bury Lumba and Hene kama. Tiyani mudia you be there you mistake be away.
No problem. Mr. Medas, just that's at the end of it, but at the end, and very important. But end what has happened. Yes.
End because he's saying, AbusuaPanyin can say a man in kuna. At the end, a court can the same. And the end, no dear, the end, they can be Boninia Bonio. See at the end, in there can the Adokai be album. Sesane can the AbusuaPanyin do kai be album because I say man in Uncle Yukuna.
Thank you very much. For me, church,
yeah, you also, mammy.
I was about to pick a
Papa we some crap no beka no maintenance ye. O si se president bi pass opo ko ho number. Opi ahu bebia no omusie no no beko ye de. The president no beko ho. Lumba ni ba omu ni bebia no mu ye ni ba ni no akasa ni ba no. Omu ni bebia no mu si omu papa wana. It is a president beba akora omo to me fa omo papa president no eko echere bebia no musi omo papa wana asembi owa ye beka is true no
ahometi
Mama Cash na president
no we fi se nkwala aka ho omure fi se le mane ka ho hwe bebia ye na se the way Calvin time omo ne to ka ni mo omo de ne ko
is in order.
Yes, the guy did so well. I heard your monk. Say, and may be dear, fine, okay. But Omo Mami refuses or Baba Yokunano. They stood in to bury their dad without any problem. And no, they are not talking about it.
Mammy, Mammy, yeah, Casa Abuchin Koda air smart. It would be in their shoes, say. So we are Bucha Koda, and I'm said your Mokas and Lumba more treaty, Mammy, and BBH and Cray, that's what the Papa Chia. It means that there's something I'm crying we don't know. There's something I'm crying nim.
I'm coming your mamma in Pochi. Omundium Papa Chikra. They won't come.
Yes. Because
but they know there's something wrong. They were saying in Ayahum.
Yes, because they have spent time with the mom more than the dad. And to Munim, dear Koso, but and I'm better Papa Kabibicho, they don't want to voice out. And now say in the real time, no, they will come out because it's strange. Same crowd me and saying
they won't even do that. They won't even come out to say anything. I'm not saying they won't even.
I'm not saying they will come out, but say you be who pray because and crowd me and saying now won't neglect my men or say my men jam my men say so when you pay. They knew something. Omunim de na ekosu bia before lum baby.
Bacho mami bisa question. Kama yesha no. At the age of 8 years and not 10 years, mami no papa akwa. You listen to them.
Yes.
You listen to them. So whatever goes on with these couples, no. Nkwala no, they know from the day one.
Yes.
They know everything. Papa ebe free Germany aba Ghana nyina no. Satan na Kevin say ne fi.
Yeah.
O ti ase enti obi be ka kire me say nkwala ne nim de ekoso ana. Anything am for mo
no on the team.
Say abroche ha no esida say parents ni separate a utumi say nkwala ne take side with one of them. Eya na enye say ba kwa manipulate omo. Eya na they actually know if they ekoso yes. So omo susampo so omo susaya mfa ne say be 2-3 years. And e bia akwala ne pe maame papa ne mom che maame na ye beka ne say bia oya adebone a maame ne twi nanim enti na onye den ompe maame na so papa na say so akwala bia ampe sign ye man baby ho dwonko anope but this time around akwala na nyinyin omanyinyi abusha ye na we sitire say uba hanom na wo hwe nkwala ne the way bi mu take sides with omo maame instead of omo papa ye hu bi wa hanom de bia ne nam ye nisu de bia ohu ne papa panso ne wetwem ohu ne maame panso ne wetwem wo fo say de be nti na nka akwala a otesa no ono ane maame ode ne be wi ase obe betray to that extent. It doesn't even add up. What do you blame AbusuaPanyin kwa? You can just imagine.
Why?
Na ni papa fie nko onko he. Enya ni papa fie. Odo bro na fie ni say enya ne dia. Enya ni papa na sie no de na akotenem. Inti enya ni fie ho no e ho no beko.
On be think onko tena kempon ho. So the maame ne ba akotena.
Tena kempon ho say dada ni papa tia se no ba infa no ko. Enya ni papa fie no. Sa no mo ka no. Asem bi wo no mo ya na ka. Na ye yi say bi obi fie asem na ye ka.
No obi ameka no wa. Say ya okodo gbe no akwakoda camp na say entro na bekumo. Ebe yi. Nka no mo dan. Say den to ba okoda ba bi.
Boy ya se hona.
Me na kwala ti de way no. Omo pe baby a omo ko omo aso beju omo. Because omo nim credit they will never side with omo a omo nim say omo ya troublesome. Sa me ma
support by force say support to
why. Yen Ghana for na ya wo ye Ghana na sometimes yesusu na ye hu say maame ne ye papa ye nim no krepa o say papa ne wasn't good to maame ne wasn't good to papa but na me titiye bi ya na ye won some kind of way no ye suro si ye be pre mu aka no kre nti wo be hu say obi ne papa anhwe na so no obi ba benyi no ye say nya hwe ukọ warranty ko so ko ka che papa o wa ye yi nya hwe papa anhwe so ko so but abroche nkola wo monte sa wa anhwe no wo hwe no no baby ano kra ne dan ho no de beto onko dan ne mfa nye bibi fu
ebi ni mo pese o be kan do kre I don't know the reason why
say idea ye wo mo Ghana enka trust me o mo be convince o mo maame ama maame na ba but one way or the other, maybe omo can na we feel. Almost so they don't have that time. Maybe I me and come in so me ko because me dey me organ I know how to say me ma me kono.
They all ye me sure say omo ne na kasa. Nti omo hwe ya amanfo na etu omo fo etu omo ame fo no. Omo jam na de obeye bia onye. That's why they don't want to come out. Because me sure say omo hwe mama ni ha kan han sa. Sankanya sanka o de ba ku din kura akoye bibia obe stop ni say no way a obe pe lawyer say yenko yi ni din free mu wan when mu nyina na wo say etina se na yadu hu say no there's something wrong.
Ruby
Papa
I didn't mama ni koye no ne ba ne omo woni kan no omo anka. Ask yourself.
Me ye sure say obisa ya akola ni si debida e no ye force so akola ni si
akola kan debia akola kan debia nka onfa akola ni din kan honda. Me sure say ebi oni akwa any good terms sana mimi huno because obade ka o ka kire oba na ka no a ka ma me nfa nka ho but me
I think sir I think sir you just making an assumption. We don't know.
Yeah assumption I can say me do say because say me ba no na my secure concern akata there be I can't force it in. What you say?
Said there is something wrong. What you say?
I didn't know what didn't be come no one seek consent. Abra on your minor. Now they come now cry no mama Bible and say one casafa come. I'm crying wrong.
And ready who ya mobo. Asem we dear baby do ne was saying na dear manica. Was say dear manica because sabi obi this year na we see ni this year yes ya den yes enti bi da na santo no mu ye na yes o mo bi bisa baby yes santo omo nyina omo wu aka drama fo ye omo nyomo wu obi bisa baby aye yes obi en bisa baby aye yes obi a Sulumba, I don't know what is going on. I don't know.
Ruby, if you will be on our comment section or say the case didn't build any properties, what is your problem?
Ruby, Bema camp.
Sure there be.
Oh, okay.
Anna, mama say wow property be and go buy and go kutakiu. Ka ko be da kwatinem kon kwatena bi.
Comment section o men fi o mukura o. Men fi o because omo kan asem ti se bi tafrache omo da sum yeso mimi ti abrochire ha mi fie mi kitaki mi pese mi bagana mi pese mi bagana mi pa mi frobia mi si free reporter I have the key to go to my house. What you say mama ko say wo so kita safoa on kita safoa no omo kan so omo ko ye friend say isle gwenye de asem mi ba 9 months ba ye omo si ho mama ko say we si ho ana nipa ko ocho se comment section we si ho onko ho be si ne oba Ghana ontumi nko ho enum dwanko an omo ni na yi so a omo ye oye de nko ho okitakia na property ye ni dia uhu ni ukunu atsena se aware na se oni be ma ni ho na mo ye property sa you know everywhere. Enye so bi be di wachi na wa cho say property way property 1 property 2 na udi nechi na ochoro because papa no di ni ho yeah udi ni ho na
I was sent documents kwa one
ya kata nanim ye di ade akata nanim ye di da na ye di akata nanim AbusuaPanyin ka so no an e kan say so wu aye nkata nanim no boy no wanti ana
me kwa no kwa ya Canada o free here ya o free here no waba no aka kwa da
me jina ho me
na de ne ho no say mama o family me wu ama no family mo ma nti o ka se ye nhye ne so eno so nka de mo be ka sa mo hwehwe ne ashes ana
serious Debi obi di hiewu AbusuaPanyin di odi na chi be kan say owo ni ba no omo ye meeting ama omo kan say ye mfa sikambra obi amfi boy ni refi sa asem na ko otumfo wa na AbusuaPanyin share date na omo kan so mo pre na sa asem no ko otumfo ema call for the second time otumfo kan say AbusuaPanyin ko sie ni phone onko no ko sie ni phone e na omo ampe na omo nyina santa omo di asem no ko kota omo yirae na wenye ni wuse wumi abe mama ewu na oni bebi esie no wo betina social media so aka say woni baby esi no a woni bi say woni isle gonkwan ana ma me akosa say wamba no omo ne omo ya aka na
ke yo mo aye o mbetimi ne kwala na
kasa ni ya aka
yo mo aye o mbetimi ne omo ngasa o ne okoka de
Abusuafo
no ope baby aye si wu ni abe ma na
Abusuapani na si no Abusuapani we Onu na ko
ena me say de omo aye no omo ntumi enko chese de na wo koka
na say Abusuapani pa ba aba be kan say ye bisa no question say adenti na omo si go bi kaso omo ni baby say that in lumba no o say why say omo adenti omo kasa because who person who baby aye see no a e wo say ubisa
Faustina say woni baby o want to ana onua panyin nkobusa Faustina baby aye see onua na
thank you Faustina do wo dey see onua
onko Faustina ho fati o onko Faustina ho Abusuapani or Abusuapani to the whole family on ho offer me free afena me free akwento maba 19 year am hwekodwe eni achi enkofo refi se omo be kan se ye de ne course antase ye de Abusuapani course antase Abusuapani fa phone frɛ ma me bempo ma se ye de kodwa abo Abusuapani did everything o man hag woni pem wo se wo didi matema disrespect me kwa eni hwe o man hag woni pem wa wo bi wo no si aduasa se ofa ma me de ye hye wonsa eni kire se wo ma me kwa se bi wo wu no there is relationship between wo ma me na Abusuapani we Oti ase na akwakọ ye bibi ti se de wo no opesi me si bempoma da wontimi na nyina wonu se wa mahwe ni nyana na echi your own sibling
why brother no yen de why boni pa o your own papa
social media
because uni ni ti boni ku a owo de ye fa nya nipa
owo social media for ye fa se bloggers sa nkofo wa shanti kwemu e na ebe kire wo de wonye
hwe se maame ni ko ya advert ni kra no hwe se hwatem didi o ma bedi maame no
unim de wo mu so ba kaya tam ansana nanka Faustina ne ba no ye sodo nti nanka aboso abahwa Abusuapani kan ka 2 weeks na Faustina ba no ne papa ye ohene odi akonya kese pa enti no omo fa akiri Faustina nti no ba na ye interview na o ka se ono do mpensa mantoa tu bahwa na akwakwa ye sese bi woni sika ni ubotomu a ya fa wo de akwa Faustina de o ye nyina ye sika ni botomu tino wo huni se aka oni ni nua ne penti wo jiri sese Faustina wo sika bi bonasene anase wo ti
anko bi be control
nobody that's what Germany and I said you cannot hold what any of the European countries or no or man a passport or bit me akwa ba e dey na chance say me kwa me pesi lumba supano enka eye kese no mu bi factory ni bi okumase na for Faustina na ye dey
oh enye odobru ni be ma na ye dodo
na ye dey
odi be ma ni dodo
this is what they don't know they tia bibia backfire omunye omakatwe nyina ye the kind of
heart from the beginning no omo andwadwen papa anka we so simple cars in the city wa mufi abroche we be use anyone you want
efie na
we be fie wa be da wa be ye bibia sika bia ohia bia ma me be ma wo but greediness
is like odai na wo mani abre ni nyina no lumba ne mane ba ho na nipa 11 ni nyina egu they all have the apartment inside that big house
and a 17 bedroom there so bia woni dan
what I say onu no omoba Ghana odobroni no o worship nkwala no because udo ukunu ma you can't just say me onkwa homa and lumba ya de lumba me sin kwala 11 no omo mani ne kasa this
okono ti omo nyina o
me say ayi na sin de we omo do omo ni kasa sa kwala ni nyina do omo ni kasa na mama hu say two Miss my disappointed Olumba papa Abusuafo ho disappointed am I say me feel sinka come and confirm na start you see any wie ni nema ekono e was come out trust me also come so timidi Abusuafo ni bi kokot e was so timidi o kokot because Lumba legacy na da ho no enya sam ketwa o
lumba no AbusuaPanyin kwa ka se omo ye museum de nti a omo pese enkofo behu nti ka 1 year no na a big surprise na omo timi celebrate ye AbusuaPanyin was uzo kasa bia wase enkwala no kodwaja ye enkwala
kodwaja pe baako yempo si ye nyina ye nye baako
because of enkwala
na ye nye bibia mbom na nye kama
sister Ntinu
ka asem na emi mobo se
sister Ntinu
AbusuaPanyin se na ye di na temu yi asa ka asem to se papa no adwumbo ni bi eni ni ti
debi wo hwe bempo ma wo sebe wo ba ye baako pe entinka wo fa wo bra mai ka wo baba ko no mo ye enkola to oba na ye
enya no odwin yo ondwin no
ma
ye no lumba ne mampa info ne ye mama bempo ma na mama Akosu ase wa o anu mu no lumba mampa info
na me nti ase wo si emfa funu ma wo free Ghana wo mfiri Kotonu wo mfiri Gambia wo mfiri Kenya yak Ghana ya even the cry omo di paternal side no omo kwa yemfe omo so sa omo fa omo funu ma ho ne papa Abusuafo ne besie no oyiri ye yiri ma
wanwa
oyiri ye yiri ma efuni nya wo dia wo se mfa ma ho mana me so omo abrochi na ya tena na se ya gi nya adwuma
pacho mi pacho enye ye nyina
me si
mi matena for 20 years enye ye nyina
mi matena more than 25 years
mi kru we ja me na mi kru we ye ma anya sa
me say abrochi na that's the word I use abrochi na omo atena no aso omo dwen nya adwuma because unim pefe say efunu enye even grow ukunu abrochi na owu a you still get the family involved. Me sister who are me
fia brebusuafo
me sister who are me
say fani pe fie
your friend yes
try be to say aigbe omo funka oman echi
there be o omo de
owu akontom a ye de ne bebe fia besi no
do che omo de o ye den omo de ne beba ni kunu ya igbe ni I know omo de ne beba omo de na omo wu akra na kuma se kra ye de body
ye de be ko ni kro Akosi no
do beko edwa ko papa side no kwa wo wara igbeni krana na se wo tro to wo se mi wa fa mi ko mi kuna busua mu a because they say wo ware be ma na wo tro ni his name wo pese esi wo kunu family ye do beko once you tell na me nim de ntia obi aka say me wish ni I was in the wish ni de evanya aduma what do you mean by
evanya aduma say obi wish wo fanya aduma ade odi pa ko no na ohwe no
sister me see me uncle wa ha me uncle we
social media
the man ka tell me say me uncle we the body ne come my elder brother the man ka tell me say we na me uncle we up na the man be say sis me papa ka say there no because nkwala na wo mo ha na me so papa say what you say nyina so wo a me fa ne nko almost said call it down we will do it Obu frame says choose the coffin you want your uncle to be buried with no matter because they know so family is family. It's just a name and kitty be no decide decide so and I catch him so you can't decide Pakoso he's dead we can decide for him and I say no you can't. We have to do the wish or say okay we'll do it. Now why I will Ghana was immediately be for body name me oh the quiet day obi funu the quiet day I'm a sawo na we can
efuna nka omo pese omo kotufu no omo de quiet
but when sister I respect the gamanche emrante Hene no the gamanche Hene I respect him me penasen we di musika
na wadi musika so oni omo na nam ese so omo na nam
me peso o
DJ man
who
enya de efunu kro mbeti
mama Agnes
yes
no
eyin fa ne yes wuti yesi obi obabi yakwakotu
Ruby me ba mama Agnes
so mo ya mamre na mpanifo ba mu na ye kana mamre na asem fa na asefo nkrani si shiko me ba agbonyu
shiko pa agbonyu no lele
shiko pa
fine fine me ba ha ma wie no ko Ruby me friend say Agnes
yes
wo who evidence and stress government friends a DJ man che we do music because at the pa there ono be kasana one cancel you assume na bibia
one show video no from the beginning ono na kan also we this
no akase government che say ana otimeti say omo man say
enya government cho we
DJ na make kasa na de pa de ono unim say de pa ono team legal wife no man no nya de nti ono no kasa mom onye bia de but ase ya na omo ye no mobo
oh there me share video no kakra wo ho
me hu ne say ya na ya no ase Debbie me hu ne say ya na de pa no also so so because ya na e ha no mo ba omo ntumi hit ni there was ono no ye host no or control yen to make it look like omo obi a wakasa mom nti ade pa onye bia why
on to me kan asem a enim Sama video no.
Yeah. Hene ba e kasa wie na ne nkofo dundum bo mo life. Ana fine.
Omo ye na me show na me fe mu dan.
Hene ba kasa wie. Omo dundum mo life. So ayi Pakoso hene se ono de letterhead na nya ono a. It's not meant for that. Ana o see onim AbusuaPanyin bi apart from Victor Wusu.
Sasa
view one Pakoso hene na me abeka from Pakoso hene ho. O see view once no. Ono de o appoint obi as acting bia oni more.
Saji going.
Na
why na eyi ne call ya na wan chechire me ho no. Because no
let no is it's now say is two lands. Into a person just say also yare. It is an go follow for that am so mu hia letter for e bia asasi bi.
How I be can no me it's very recorded for her.
Me say no matter how it is.
Hene see. On appointed AbusuaPanyin fufuro bia. From
and na ti omo ye de no munya letter no if enyo no.
O de enya abotre ebe ko ebe ba. Ni na ebe ba.
O see. Eno fence ohin ba see.
On share video na.
Ohin ba see.
Ohin ba video on share.
Ono a
the pan be ball wa ha. The pan be ball wa ha no but
o see
na me ba no abo ewie.
Letter na ye hu ye no. Star letter no. Some different. It was not meant for say kasi to AbusuaPanyin. What I say, I'm wa church emu but appropriate time no. Omba betes wa church mama na to asunu sa letter no. Asem asia no. They say wa church mama na to asunu. Titi man say letter no. Enyo na joy.
Nti Tupac no so nyo eda so ye eyi ho
to see letter no nyo na troye
pa cho wo a wo kasa wo mute ho kakra ma ye nto
Tupac
ankra misra mute ho kakra ma ye
o see Tupac o see Tupac da so ye AbusuaPanyin ontu AbusuaPanyin
ye say mami bi a oba ha mini Agnes unim na mami bi oba ha ye ode Psalm 23 and sometimes offer ode one love was then e bi otumi se san e dey anytime so obeka no obeka sa bebre bi no say Tupac bi enya de obeba so obeda so aye eyi ne aye chena ene se bibi be ye no
mi en broken heart me pa cho
ye ma the pills bi no
ena onya bro omunya o se Pakoso no ne hu mfa no ena nkofo
ma me ne de obua o
Pakoso no mfa no
hu ne so
Pakoso
omoni photo
yes wo si kuna sam
ne bibi be ye no
yes AbusuaPanyin Pakoso hene se akoso se wane odobroni sam na ekurasam omunya interested in it kwa omba first one abusuafo no be united no hia wo
oh na se asem no eno asem de nye akoso asewane odobroni asem asem ne de no ye different
se Pakoso hene letter na ba I say ye betu AbusuaPanyin nyina free say wo mo see odobro ni sai so say e betu AbusuaPanyin nyina no sa
ejina so eni ti on pese omutu no
kra semne sa enti na Pakoso Hene say kra semne de emfa no ho they don't want to get involved kra sem na mum no AbusuaPanyin Tupac oye AbusuaPanyin obientu no ontu no endorse bibia no endorsement oye AbusuaPanyin da so ye
yenya odobro ni fo ye friend saying team legal wives bi wa ha no be cheche mu chere
ni ana mo menka no kure pa say ka say ka no kura
aha
den se mami sabi ni se mi abeti ti Ghana fo ntem ni amanfo ni
adofo ni muntem
awade ba say de mami bi be kan say Sasem we ase nyoma bebre. Ema a change your constitution no kra.
Awari ba ku. Awari ba ku.
Na sister any bra. Sisters in the bra. Why na okoko to say court and declare no say oyayere. Who mean say oyayere?
One.
Me dem me say asem we no kai I was say smart. Me yan so obi be ka kire me say me yayere because me say me yayere. That's all.
Of course.
And I make quite the man.
Court no na court obi amfa na court.
And I make her say so it's me say why no court to say ye nkire say oyayere. Nobody and I am no. Two. Uma abrochi hwe braye brehwe nkwale yi. Uma na kasa cho say mama jai. Me nim say luma na we one ne man nyina na troy. Kwala 11 no. They know something. They know don't papa kai. They know.
But enyo no mu kra na troy ya. Wo man na ye mpanifo. Ani papa no obedidi agyankwala na. Lumba
me nya sure say o de agapade ni nyina be hye emma ne nsa agyankwala no. Definitely nkwala ho no be ni because man no betumi akware. Se BBC kra sisi after 1 year obia to me hear the odobro ni to me ware biom opa on ware ma me say one so the same thing ebusuan ne recognize omo biom omo recognize omo say omo ye friend saying omo busuan ni awewu eyere mu intini we no e dey ni ntokwa BBC kra
the news page bi e me ko hwe no yeah the news no yi properties bi o see the estate who say lumba wa estate.
Oh yes.
Yeah. What I said, Lumba Estate, the news in the cover. When you or the name to in place say, and pennyphone be making sure say, Palani in comfortable until so we na benny or beer when the percentage war property
into whom I may back to me by Ginny now.
Or beer when the percentage.
Mammy no agree Mammy greedy in because
Lumba
Germany a danya or motor any yamina, Lumba Janny in Amanu. What Janny in Amanu? Intimate me when you enter our bar hands or obey had the answer account.
Yes, it's a woman.
I mean, sure, said I make count to me for Japadian man, na and Colano, Mudaka, Warriam, Colana Bayamo, because me or Bamity, who would be Japade, because me or Bamity, who would be Japade, because me or Bamity, who would be Japade.
And no more money. And no more money. And no more money.
Obi penny musi on man in a year no more.
Na so ate na akosi ase wane na etwe dada. Unse me ba wote ase no ne na etwe properties ne kra dada. Nti no obi nim
siri
obi nim
no ni lumba court anka ye beke bia ma
sister properties now no all request cry no isle gon kan ho afi cry do say na busuya gold na o ko wi no just all this yes family house ni family house lumba ni ku anya
dan yes ya di bo abe man ka onu nsidan otu ekura 2 bedroom ko ni bi wo Ghana oba oni na mama amantwa
o mama fie lumba na ko bubusi
Thank you.
Not today, no.
No, be you a video. Obi catch us Akoso say wa Sadan we so lumba de bubu ye ni ma bi fie ni lumba de si Sadan.
That's a bro we be crack to feel confirm me.
Yeah.
Ada nipa ye papa mausa umpe. Odi azam.
Papa, mama ni munja na sebo, onye papa, onye correct.
But auntie aguni bibi. Auntie agi.
Yes, love.
I don't forget you are Ghana na chese. Omo pull time say wo ho. Guys say wo ho. Na baba warwa betena buche 10 years. What means say do one city crowd. I mean frɛ won so. How they compare mama ne de na hwe. Say fa.
I know.
Hey, asema wa kan do betima yo. Am say da bi. Say obi aye do say ye.
Kasa ofa media ye ya tena brochire no obi ntimi fa nema bi nsisi ye mo amunim deep thinking na omu esu no mu dia de na chi nyina ye emotions ni nyina ye de ne ma me de ofa mu ni wo previous relationship but ntimi fa compare that. What you say? Situation biane ni esi. What you mean fa ade esi? Me compare obi de. Lumba yo obi a very wo hu ya sapon yere no. Abusia wa nkose okoye kuna. Enso abusiafo no begina ne ma ne kuna. Hwe yi a ya sapon yere ne ye ya sapon. O supportu ne mane keke no kwa hwe wo chenso ye kuna ni samu hwe ya
anti agi mo na mo Europe mo mi se mo asem na obi raise point bi say the lumba ba Ghana na mam ne ho ate ho no mam ne beti ma ko file for abandonment no after 5 years automatically no divorce.
Say Germany for loss me different. Europe no Krobia wo loss. Yeah. And now one thing me King K ni brother Lex mocking.
Yeah.
Call Germany Luma lawyers are called Germany. Akwa your research from almost refi date, you know, but somewhere 2018 Lumba became single. Almost from 2018 Lumba has been a single person.
MCT is a program or
me kind of crash now. Almost see Mamma Akoso say one year Lumba grata. No, or worry. But the
document maybe or
yes, me say along the line, say ordinance no, but I worry a go. And I am a meaning to me certificate because of qua. I also say Lumba dead.
Auntie again, on a traditional marriage.
Say Odasu Wusu Shangala.
Odasu di widow UK. Omo kan widow money. Odasu
yes,
widow money.
Or just ask no.
I was Shindela no.
Yes. Auntie again.
Yes.
Pampana. Why traditional marriage? Na wakana 13 years as a walkway ordinance.
Aye.
Over traditional marriage 91. I'm not sure my ordinance 204. 13 years.
Oh, everybody can you Mimi wafa. Me wafa wale ne yiri efia mamre. Efia mani edi ware no. Omo engagement bibia but omo ko sign no. No omo almost by tosu 7. More than 20 years ansana okoye no.
Lumba the last year.
Inko kan no de enfa ho.
The last interview. Lumba last interview now there be Okasa or radio so Mother's Day no. E din ben of friend Odobreni or see
anybody
yes Princella.
Bibi ye de kuku.
Or see Princella Fosu. Yeah?
Ne mame.
Oh, it's Lumba called the Princella no the Fosu so ne dia so. One kasa ma ena osa use the word they say me yira me ni wo ho sei. Obi kasa nde say me yira no. Oni ni hobby him.
No the omo hu nkan no. And omo nkan no.
Bagnes machio.
Hey, offer. Me do so.
Asemu. Me say mama you asem kra de me da kra me timi na.
Papa da no be wasem da.
Ebi o
So da.
Unze. Me call my kra 8 kra. My sorry about this. My sorry be full club. Mama you asem de me matrasia me hu say as a deliberate as was shut that person. That's what said that. And I was a
lot of stress for everybody.
Yeah, who's that? Or the age is a blackmail young ones. Or the brainwash woman. It was the year. Oh, mommy penny already say, mommy penny already say. Ghana, no, your penny pet. We are dear crown and your crow, a penny. Or a penny, and what borrow young ones and trim or pull to margin.
Mamma, lie back where girl be say. Okoye you know American. Now we scan no to ticket ni bi ticket ni plane fare na e ko see over 1,000. Na oko shift so $1,000 ni be obeda hotel. The shift work is so kokoye ka ho an nka obebo you be sika be 1,500 to oboka 1,500. Okweno so ma minimum na bibi bowra ni mu ena oba ye pe no be friend mu wache eno sia me wo eno so e kama kuma se mi ncho sika ni pakona cha 1,000 na we so acha na 500 hwe nkwati ade asa ki ba profitiri mu ye de be na me ano no
na sa ni paro ka sa ru sunsu mo wale sunsu
to me not doing yegma
now do you imagine if you baako you say that's the gunusu if you baako you say a cold room
you say the akoko bi nu e biale man
hey just say
oh why na ya de no why na e de no pa kono mute no kakre
unse ngofo no me de bia me say yakopon to hu ombo because
yamia ne kon ne tsna le so ne ekun no
tani pana kan sa afro say oh no ni ho me evidence after this any pana sa kasana mo say tie na mo kura de ba de ha me de mo say sunsun bi ta chire o
sunsun bi anta chire ejimie na yom
because say otum say
omo de jisika TikTok sika
hey me de mo say
be before ba Debi omo di bibi fufu ba.
Obaka say jonki a sabi onya bi no ma te say no keka no. O ka bibi o say asa da jonki fo no. Say opo o peska ko no o maduro ni bia. O say o tu ko be pound pa bo honkura mo mo niska. Sango fu mu no te say o trans mami abel aduma be no ye community me do no ye.
Shese obi onu ankasa ni brother advert awakoye hwatem didi ombedi
ni.
Them did didi mami.
Now mami uti ho ukuru adwuma ukuru jan ho oba Ghana kura no de efe enkola ukuru kura wo kan o ma no kura no ntimi kura nkɔ hwe nkura tira kwan.
Debi if you akura so to ni nan kura si ho ontumi ko ho okoye de ho ontumi ko ho.
Ntimi kura nkɔ hwe ntimi kura ese bebi esi ukuru kura no o de fa ho brasia na ye ka ahoma so no ko abusuafo mesremo AbusuaPanyin o de ma yi no ma anya de me mesrefo ne si mi ku.
Okura no kwa wa anya nsu wo fra tuntum de na.
No bi da.
Oh, say that Fanny Papa she fosu no Papa she fosu no na
onu na ya ni nua be ma
Papa she fosu no
kasa papa mo kasa ye krasifo mo kasa o wanu kasa o wanu kasa papa hey mo kasa o
munya buta meso munya buta
kasa o mo kasa pa
oh agres nya butre oh
mo kasa papa mo kasa mo ntuma no mo kasa papa
agres masada oh
now they all kasa
untie Ruby mashada ti mu pe man kasa mesrem
yenya no man njime
on kan hwi o so on kan hwi
but so obi akọ yusu ni sika mo amusika
o de man kasa $1,000
plus
$3 wa man kasa
Mukasa papa papa
baby o free wa be
boy sit down ko baby ko da
mukasa papa papa
Munya
papa
buti Awurade.
mukunu mukasa papa papa
me
me pa o.
Mimi yokuna fo, mi de mi kure wu 10 years ni. Mi yokuna fo.
Mukasa papa papa mukasa papa papa Bema wutu di kokonsa say.
Mami.
Get out.
Hello. Hello, Efo. Efo, Davi.
Get out.
Na butre, Davi, mi na butre. Davi.
wa free so odi ni Jimmy no ko.
O jina so pa, Davi. Davi me de koko.
Ya no ne yesi wudi ya ukasa wudu ya no ne ya pamu ana. Ya pamu so wa no. Asima ye kan ye obi atem.
Mo be
Asima ye kan ye obi atem.
Me se wo so omo emotions o. Omo mo ye so emotions.
Ye obi atem.
Me se maame ne de me se be akọ.
Asima bi kan no odi na atem. O ka sika se odi na atem. Na be ma di kokonsa. Odi kokonsa ni bi da. Odi o ye kono.
Me se maame yo, Ghana on de bia me ka.
Pini sunu wa pampa so. Kwada ko be baby da.
Ta wo ti wo pa maame panyini party se wo pa. Maame panyini se wo ni ma ware na oyonko ba gya be ma ho ama be ma de yare abeta Ghana o me hwe ne da. Na mo kura de na ha mo. E sunsun mo ware de ha mo na se. E sunsun mo ware de ha mo na se mo se da.
Won to ko ware bi. Won so ko ware e.
Hey, Davi.
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 Auntie who and a wife of Japadi.
Hey, Davi.
Get out. Get out.
Mukasa.